our last grammar today is 비읍 불규칙. 불규칙 means irregular. So, 비읍. You remember 비읍, okay? So let's see here. If it's end with 브 and you want to say are you, right? It doesn't matter if it's adjective or verb, it's still the same. Adjective or verb plus are you. We learned are you, vowel a or o, and are you is u, i, the others. But then, if it ends with 브, it doesn't change into are you or are you. No, none of them. It means you put u in and change it. So let's see our example and I'll tell you. 덥다. 덥다, hot. We learned 덥다, but then it ends with 비읍 받침. 받침 비읍, right? 덥다. But then I told you if we say are you, we only see the vowel, right? Then you will say 덥 you will write like this. But then no, it's different. 비읍 irregular. So it's not you say 더 와요. So I'll explain this one. 덥다. You take this 다 off, right? Then 더. And if it's 브, you insert u in. And you see this okay. Then you put you in. So it's 더워요. 더워요. So take this 브 off and insert 워 in and say 요. 더워요. 더우어요. 더워요. Second one again. 춥다, cold. This one also ends with 브. 춥다. Then you might think 춥어요 because this vowel is u. 춥어요. No. 브 because there is 받침 브. You have to say take this 브 off and insert u in. U in. And you put 어요. So it ends with 추워요. 추워요. Okay, 어렵다 also 브. Then how do you change this? 어렵다. 어요. 어려워요. Again, 어려브. You take this 브 out and insert 우 in. 우. And you put 어요. So it ends like 어려워요. 어려워요. Last one, 쉽다. Everyone, it's easy. 쉽다. 쉽다 again ends with 브. So you take this 브 off and what do you insert? You put 우 in. 우. So she. Take this 브 off and insert 우 in and you put 어요. Then it ends with 쉬워요. 쉬워요. Everyone, this one 쉬워요. It's not hard. 쉬워요. 어려워요. 추워요. 더워요. So listen to Korean people speaking with 어요, 아요, 워요. So listen them and come back.
날씨가 더워요. 저는 집에 가요. 지은 씨도 집에 가요?
네, 저도 집에 가요.
지은 씨 집이 가까워요?
아니요, 좀 멀어요. 그 가방이 정말 귀여워요.
고마워요. 저도 이 가방이 좋아요.
가방에 책이 많아요. 그 가방 무거워요?
아니요, 가벼워요.
Was those four conversations hard? I'll explain it to you. First one, 날씨, weather, 날씨가 it was 덥다, hot, 덥다. But then, if you want to say 아유, 어유, it's 부 받침. So you take this off and 우어요, 더워요. The weather is hot. 저는 집에 가요. 집에 I go back home. 집에 가요. 지은 씨도 집에 가요? 지은, are you also go back home? Do you go back home? 집에 가요? 네. Yes. 저도 집에 가요. Me too. 저도 집에 place noun. 집에 가요. Second one. 지은 씨, 집이 지은 your house 가깝다. It was 가깝다. near 가깝다. You put 부 out and insert 우 in. So 가까워요. Is your house near? 가까워요? 아니요, no, 아니요. 좀 a little bit. 멀어요, far, 멀어요. Third one. We learned 그, right? Maybe 승윤 and 지은 are far away. And 지은 is speaking about the bag, 가방이 near 승윤. 그 가방이 정말 really 귀여워요, cute. It was 귀엽다. It was 귀엽다, but it ends with 부. So you take this off and insert 우 in. 우. So 귀여워요. It's very cute. 고마워요. Thank you. 저도 이 가방이 It's near 승윤, right? 이 가방이 좋아요. I also like this bag. 이 가방이 좋아요. Last one. 가방에 in the bag. 가방에 책이 많아요. A lot of books are in the bag. in. 그 가방 무거워요. 무겁다. Do you know what 무겁다 is? Heavy. Oh, there are a lot of books in your bag. 그 가방 무거워요. Is it heavy? 아니요. No. It's 가벼워요. 가볍다. Light. So, you take this off and insert 우 in and say 어요. 가벼워요. Maybe 승윤 is strong. 가벼워요. Okay. Then now you can do the practice. Irregular. Let's start. So first one, let's see. 한국어 공부가 어때요? Studying Korean. 한국어 공부가 어때요? How is it? 쉬워요. 쉽다. It was 쉽다, but you take this off, she, and you insert 우 in, and 쉬워요. 한국어 공부, it's easy. 쉬워요. Not hard. 쉬워요. Okay, first one. 날씨, weather, 춥다, cold. It's all irregular. So let's see. 날씨가 weather 어때요? How is it? 추워요. You take this off and say 우어요. 추워요. It's cold. 추워요. Second one. 떡볶이. I told you this is Korean food. 떡볶이가. This one is not 이. The one I told you. 이 is the name and there is no 받침, so you use 떡볶이가 어때요? How is it? How's the 떡볶이? 아, 맵다. 매워요. Okay, 맵 again. 부, you take this off. Insert 우 in and say 어요. 매워요. It's hot. 매워요. Third one. 이 영화 무섭다. 이 영화. This movie. 이 영화가 this movie. 어때요? How is it? 어때요? 무섭다. How will you change this? 무섭다. 무서워요. Nice job. 무섭다. 부. Take this off and insert 우 in. 무서워요. 무서워요. I'm scared. 무서워요. Last one. that. 저 인형. The doll. 저 인형이 어때요? How's that the doll? Teddy bear doll. 귀엽다. 귀여워요. It's cute. 귀여워요. Again. 부. 이거 없어. No. 부. You take this off. You insert 우 in and change it to 어요. 귀여워요. 귀여워요. That doll is very cute. So we learned two grammars. First one and 부 irregular. Was this really hard? It's kind of confusing, but just remember if it ends with 부, 받침 부, you just take this off. Don't see this 부. You just put 우 in. Change them. 우, and you insert 어요. 어요. So 귀여워요. 추워요. 매워요. 무서워요. Very nice. You can review this and you can easily remember this 부 irregular. So don't be confused and don't be hard. Don't be 무서워요, scared. Let's come back, review hard.
당신을 위한 한국어 마스터 토픽.